Welcome to Wellness Wednesday. Carmela Wolf here at Down to Earth on King Street. Now lately, a lot of us have been under a little extra stress, so I'd like to talk about emotional well-being. Again, I'm always going to talk about a healthy diet and lifestyle as our foundation to health, including emotional health. I know that my regular exercise, which includes things like yoga, qigong, swimming in our beautiful ocean, as well as doing meditation, really help me manage my stress. But then there are a few other things I like to use too, some supplements that help my body adapt to stress. That's why they're called adaptogens. That includes our ginseng master. I put that in my tea every day, as well as some extra ashwagandha. I also am a big fan of holy basil, but we have quite a few adaptogens to choose from. Eleuthero, rhodiola, there's even a nice blend, an imperial adaptogen that has all of them together. If you need a little bit more help with the stress, there are also amino acids like GABA and L-theanine that can help relax the body. And when all else fails, well, there's good old kava. So, many things to choose from to help your body. Certainly take care of it and feel happy and healthy.